Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. In Python, the __str__ method is used to define a human-readable string representation of an object. In Ruby, the equivalent method is called to_s. In this tutorial, we will explore how to define and use the to_s method in Ruby with code examples. To define a to_s method for a Ruby class, you simply need to implement a method with that name in the class definition. This method should return a string that represents the object in a human-readable format. Here's a basic example. In this example, we have defined a myclass with an initialize constructor and a to_s method. The to_s method returns a string containing the object's name and age. Now that we have defined the to_s method, let's see how we can use it. In this code, we create a myclass object called person and then call the to_s method on it using puts. This results in the human-readable string representation being printed to the console. You can customize the to_s method to return any string representation that makes sense for your object. For example, you can include additional information or format it differently. Now, when you use the to_s method in Ruby, the to_s method serves as the equivalent of Python's __str__ method. It allows you to define a custom string representation for your objects, making it easier to display meaningful information about them. By implementing the to_s method in your classes, you can improve the readability and usability of your Ruby code. ChatGPT